Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome back to my channel, ShedTubeX. In this video, we're going to make some slight improvements to the Vevor gas furnace. In my last video here, you probably see that we melted the hose and a little bit of trouble. It's a little bit messy working area in front of it. So I thought of a better design area. If you just look, as you can see now, we're going to flip the lid a complete 180, and so that the gas pipe will be feeding from the back, leaving the front area completely free from any trip hazards or anything like that. I think it personally it's going to be a safer, better design. It is an experiment, so please stick with me and let's see how it turns out. Okay, so like you saw with the intro, what we're going to do, try and get that off there, maybe put rivet it onto this side. Feel that there and there. We're going to need a grinder. Right, we're going to have to change this blade. Aldi's own, don't knock them. Well, just after a thought, it's night time, I'm in a wooden shed. It's a bit late at night, but I was going to give it a go anyway. Well, I'll just have a better thought, even have my goggles ready and everything safety. Well, I've just had a better thought. It might be an outdoor job, this one. We might carry on this video outside tomorrow. Okay, it's look good have it. It's been staying all day, but it's actually cleared up. It's got some nice skies. So let's grind this off. We're off. So with this like this now, makes so much more sense to me. The front is now the back, where the gas is going to come out of, and you open it on this side, and there's nothing in front of it. Makes more sense to me. I don't know about you. And so what we'll do, take it to work tomorrow, get it welded up. I'll try to remember to get a video of it, but it might be one of those moments. But yeah, it's off, it's turned round, and it went better than I thought. Right, well I didn't end up going on that site, but I did go to a friend's house. I've already stick welder, and it's safe to say that it's a lot harder than MIG. Yeah, I can't stick weld, so it got bolted on instead. It's not pretty, but by the time I've grinded it off, it's for all intended purposes, it works. So I'll grind it off, clean it up, paint it, and well, that might even get a burn on. Yeah. got some high temperature stove paint. Do the trick, what I'm thinking anyway. It's not the same colour, but one doing a bit. Might protect it, stop it rusting. Not notice it when it's all bloody, when it's all dirty. It's straight to some of them on YouTube. And there you have it. Nothing in front of it. Safe working space area. So, and there we go. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. While it's all out and everything, I'm be rude not to do a melt, so but I'll save that for another video. But until then, thank you very much. Bye.